Oh my God. What's crazy is that you guys could be filming this exact same type of video that I film almost every day. The crazy part is I do it all off of my phone, a tripod, and now this DJI mic mini. So if any of you guys were thinking about getting into creating motorcycle videos and you want to start with a setup like I am, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video breaking down how I film my videos. Oh my God. Yo, that was insane. Jesus. Like I was saying, I'll make a video breaking down everything I use and how I record my videos and what I use to edit. So if you guys were thinking about getting into something like this, that should be a big help. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys want to see that?